What is this tied up matter for?
My lords, this has been specially assigned to your lordship because
For hearing finally?
for this coming for the first time to before my lords, because two honorable judges, they are also having their property.
All right.
Khas Mahal.
Don't have to tell us why. We don't ask anything like that. You tell us what is your case.
My lords, the case is that in the year 1944, there was an indenture of lease executed between the erstwhile owner of the property and the state of Bihar. Subsequently, it was transferred with the permission of the collector, who is the competent authority. In 1969, it was renewed for a further period of 30 years. Thereafter, my lords, obtaining the permission of the collector Patna, who is the competent authority, the sale took place. But the collector granted the permission, sale took place. Thereafter, certain commercial establishments have been set up. The entire area, which is in Dagbangla Road, has been declared to be commercial in the master plan years ago. The matter came before this honorable court, and in 1999, your lordships disposed of the matter, directing the collector to rehear the matter and pass a reasoned order.
But what was to be heard by the collector?
Whether commercial activity can be permitted in that on my plot or not. Now he has given a complete go-by to the judgments of this honorable court, wherein my lords have held that when a lease has been executed prior to the 2011 policy, it will be governed by the 1953 manual. And during the pendency of the case, the collector Patna has ordered resumption of the property, which in my respectful submission cannot be done in view of Rule 22 of the Khas Man Manual. It can be only done through the process of the civil court. So there is an IA also for stay of the resumption notice. So the collector has to, and the respondents will have to file a reply.
What is your supplementary affidavit?
My lord, supplementary affidavit, certain documents which were brought before the collector during the course of hearing, they were not brought on record by the instructing counsel. So I brought them on record.
Where is the order impugned?
My lords, order impugned is in the main writ application. My lord, would have a look to annexure 5, pages 24 to 28.
Come to page 27.
My lords.
उभय पक्षों को सुनने और अभी कागजातों और साक्ष्यों के अवलोकन के ऊपर
My lords.
इस निष्कर्ष पर पहुंचा कि विपक्षी के पिता नंद किशोर सिंह वाद भूमि के मूल बंदोबस्तधारी नहीं थे.
Mool means fund, the initial, that is
But was a sublettee, सब लीज में पार्टनर थे जिन पर मूल लीजधारी के साथ लगाई गई सभी शर्तों भी
that is the root of the dispute.
इसका अवधि समाप्ति के बाद लीज का नवीनीकरण नहीं हुआ.
हमने हुजूर अप्लाई कर दिया, अगर ये नहीं कर रहे हैं तो इसमें मेरी क्या गलती है?
लीज धारक को सब लीज करने और लीज का भूमि हस्तांतरण बिक्री करने का अधिकार नहीं है. That is the issue.
That is, my lords, we have filed the.
That's a settled law.
My lords,
Lessee does not have the right to sublease it further.
my lords,
Government lease.
My lords, with the permission of the collector, it came. I have said that on oath.
Where is that document?
My lords will have a look to the supplementary affidavit.
Yes. Where
My lords,
is that document? Where permission was granted by
my lords, my lords,
the main lessee.
my lords. My lord will kindly permit me to place at internal page 4 of the supplementary affidavit. Last two lines, subpara C.
Page?
Internal page 4 of the supplementary affidavit. Last two lines. May I place it, your lordships?
Kishore Singh may have applied. We are asking you that the original
Yes, that,
has handed over this to you as a sublease.
no, my lords,
That is an admitted position. That is what the factual.
that is the incorrect factual aspect.
That is the finding which has.
That is what I am submitting, that this finding is an error of record. Because if my lord would
So
see,
please show
my lords,
how it is. So
my lords, yes.
that you were the original in the see.
My lords will then permit me to kindly come to internal page 2 of the supplementary affidavit.
Because he gives a finding that you are not the original.
My lords, I am coming to, if my lords would permit me to place sequentially internal page 2 of the supplementary affidavit.
These are your submissions. We want to know from any document.
That I have brought on record. Let me first,
You come to the document.
my lords,
Satisfy me from the document.
my lords. At annexure 7, my lords, page 21,
21 of the,
supplementary, my lords.
yes.
Preshak Apar Samaharta Patna, Preshit Shri Nand Kishore Singh, father of, my lord would see, Preshit. Then my lord would see Uparyukt Prasangik Vidhek कार्यालय के,
मुझे तो टाइप करवाइए या तो
अच्छा करवा देता
ये
है।
तो समझ
जी जी जी, I bow down, my lords.
और because this seems to be a simple typed letter. It does not have signatures, it does not have any seal. How can we rely upon such a document?
These were all part of the,
It seems to come from some file.
from the earlier writ application, my lords, of
From that,
1988.
but it is a typed copy.
From the earlier writ application,
You have just taken out a Xerox copy of a typed copy.
that was part of the earlier writ application.
Might be, but the original letter is what is required, or a Xerox copy of the same. I can't be saying more than this. Counsel for the petitioner to provide the original copy of the letter which he relies upon, placed on record with the supplementary affidavit, as the same seem to be photocopy of a typed copy and cannot be looked into. Let's this case again on next week,
No, my lord, some more time.
19th,
26th, if
19th,
19th, or
19th.
19th. And my lords, in the meantime, I should not be dispossessed, because they cannot dispossess me.
In the meanwhile, yes, you have any problem in status quo be maintained?
My lord,
In the meanwhile,
I will
status
file
quo
counter
shall be
affidavit.
maintained by both the parties.
oblige, lord, greatly obliged.
I will file counter affidavit, madam.
Yes, counter affidavit may also be filed.
My lords,
Any other urgent matter?
greatly obliged, lord.
Next date, 19.
19th, my lords, are fixed.
19th.
19th.
19th.